Hey Midway Mayhem fans, this is Nelson. We are checking in from Six Flags Over Georgia for a Twisted Cyclone construction update. Let's go check it out. Here's the outside view of Twisted Cyclone. We can see they finished the third inversion. They have a little airtime hill. We have not been in the park yet, but look at that little airtime hill. It goes into the turn, and I'm really excited to go see the rest of it, so let's go. Last time that we were here, they did not finish the track pieces for the lift hill, and they're all added now. Looks really good. And I see a lot of extra tracks sitting over there. I don't know if you guys can see that. So we're gonna go take a closer look. We're in the park now, and we are by the bathrooms towards Twisted Cyclone, the exit, and we can see over this area there is a structure being placed, and that is for the photos, so you can look at them. And here's an updated look. Now let's go look towards the exit in a second, but we can see a little bit of work over there. Wow, can you believe this? There's a Twisted Cyclone ladder. Now it looks like they're doing work up here, but we have a ladder. All right, right by the entrance, we can see there's a door here now, so that's a new update. But now we're going to the exit. They have some track in place, so let's go see what they've added. Grand reveal, here's the exit, here's the track, and look at that angle. That's crazy. This is going right, this is going left. All right, the inversion's in place, and here's the overbank under the main reverse cobra roll. They have an overbank, and this turns left, and it goes back right. Now I'm expecting this to go back left if this is actually going to be like this. I'm expecting it to kind of curve that way, but we're gonna see what happens in the future, but this is what we have right now. But this is going to do it for this Twisted Cyclone update, so I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to subscribe, and if you like what we do, make sure to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and we'll see you out on the Midway.